So Tulsi doesn't know. Moreover, like any lover, she's safeguarding her own position. And moreover, like any lover, Tulsi's not telling, where's Krishna? If I tell them where Krishna is, then Krishna will start loving them and maybe neglect me. No, I'm not telling. So Tulsi, like any lover, she's safeguarding her own position with Krishna, and she does not want to give it up, because Tulsi is now embracing Krishna's neck, and Krishna's gone away and left all the gopis, but he didn't leave the Tulsi. So she's thinking, when Tulsi doesn't reply to the gopis' inquiry, then they're thinking, oh, I understand. She's keeping Krishna all to herself, and she's safeguarding her position, because if she tells us where Krishna is, and we go and find Krishna, Krishna may, when he sees us, he'll be so excited to embrace us that he may take off the Tulsi Mala so he can more tightly embrace us, because of the separation we've both been experiencing from each other. Because surely he's as anxious to meet us and embrace us as we are to meet him and embrace him, which is a fact in separation. Both lovers are pining for each other, but one is pretending not to. Man. That's the issue. So this is some comments on verse 7.